Well, hello there. Guys, start pouring into others. Even if you don't know how to do that, try to learn. Any thoughts that come across your mind in the mornings, because that's usually when mine happen, or when it's late at night, I'll start thinking about things or how I want my day to go, like far as positivity. So that gives me thoughts and how to interpret what I'm going to speak about the next day. Don't just, be the person who just takes what somebody gives to you all the time. Try to be a person who incorporates that as well. We all need it. I need somebody to pour into me every day. I don't want to be just the person who does all the pouring. I need someone to pour in to fill me too as well. Now, don't get me wrong. I feel for myself that the Father does that because I do a lot of reading, I do a lot of meditating, and I do a lot of interacting with my own personal self and growth. But at the end of the day, we all need somebody to pour into us as well. So guys, learn how to pour into others. Don't be selfish. Even if it might not sound right, it might not flow as well as others, but remember, everybody needs someone to pour into. Everybody needs that. So guys, you already know. I'll see you. Good morning, beautiful people. Good morning to you. So I did think I told you before that I was going to make my next green smoothie. So yesterday we shared that fermented kombucha, so the bottle is empty. So today I'm going to go ahead and make my green smoothie. So I'm going to bring you guys along for that. So we're going to get started with this smoothie. So I'll show you pretty much, I'll set you down, but I'll show you pretty much what I got, and then I'm going to go ahead and get started. So I'm going to be using the pineapples, I'm going to be using spinach, and I'm going to also use this banana. It is still good. So we're going to go ahead and get started. How about that? I'm back real quick, y'all. These vitamins that I did show y'all yesterday are the Beauty Ray Nourish Your Skin Hair and Nail Pills. They are vegan. I think I put it in there, but I just wanted to show you guys that they really are vegan, if you can see that. But if you guys remember, I did a review on these on some vitamins called Ritual, and that's what these remind me of. I just wanted to show you guys because I'm gonna throw this box away, but I'm gonna keep the pamphlet. They send you a pamphlet. They give you a pamphlet, and this is what the pamphlet looks like. It just tells you the nourishment you get and stuff from the pills, and it comes in a nice little box like Ritual that I was subscribed to them, and then I just took my subscription away because to me it wasn't worth it, and then they have to go into your bank account every month, so it wasn't worth it. But this kind of reminds me of them. It has the minimalist like bottle and everything. Super cute. I really like that. Can y'all see that? I really like how it looks. So yeah, I was gonna get ready to toss this in the recycle bin, but I wanted to just show you guys how that looks. So I'm going to start these. It says that it's a 30-day supply, so which is 60 capsules. So I guess that's saying that you have to take 2 a day, but I still have hair, skin, and nails from my old supply. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take 1 of these a day, and I'm going to see if I like them. So I just wanted to inform you guys on my new Ray Beauty vitamins. And this is a Target brand. So if you're interested, you can follow them at Ray for Wellness. That's what it says here. Ray for Wellness. And that's what it looks like. So all right, y'all, just wanted to inform you guys on my new hair, skin, nail vitamins. All right, y'all, I'm back. I'm gonna swap out some pillows in the front and the back because I'm gonna get rid of some pillows that we had from the previous house. I'm probably gonna put them on OfferUp. I'm not sure. I'm whispering because Mark is asleep. Y'all, we want him to stay asleep. He will stay up all day. Like, are you kidding me? Hold on. So we're gonna swap out these pillows. So let me show y'all really quick. So these pillows here, these two pillows here are the ones that I want to take off of here, and I'm going to put this one in the front room, and then I'm going to get rid of these two. So we're going to do that real quick. Let's take these and get ready to put these. Y'all let me know. I know y'all ready to see what he fixed yesterday. So y'all just give me a moment. So yeah, I wanted to put this one here, and then like I said, these two here, I'm gonna sell these. I'm gonna get rid of these. And guys, this big monstrosity. Now look how big that is. Y'all look at that. That is just too big and it's too low. So yeah. But what I'm gonna do next is I'm trying to figure out what two pillows. These pillows here. I kind of want to put these two in the back because there's more black back there, and then keep these two in the front. So I guess you guys can come with me while I do that. So we'll see. I had already had my mind set on that and set on getting rid of the pillows because this is the whole idea, y'all. Since we got this house, we have mainly sold like almost close to everything, and we just try to do all things new but just spend a little bit of money. So that is the key, and hopefully you guys kind of like can understand or whatever, but we're not spending a lot of money on swapping things out and getting rid of stuff. So those two pillows here, these two, the black and the white, gonna go in the back. So let's get ready to do that, okay? So let's go ahead and put these in here, guys. So, and then too, I didn't want a lot of pillows on the couch either, so I'm gonna put that here. And then we're gonna put that one here. Now see how much, look at that, y'all. Look how much better that looks. I really like that. I really like that. Y'all let me know in the comments. I know you guys will let me know, but I really like that. Like that. It complements the couch. It's not doing too much. So yeah, let's go check out the other ones. I hope the camera and the lighting is not back and forth going through that hallway. It get a little dark. So guys, now I have these two here, and I'm thinking about putting them on this side. Let's do that. Let's put it on this side, and I really need to like take these little tags and stuff off of here, but yeah. So yeah, I just wanted the couch to be open. Too many pillows, yeah. So what do you guys think? Do y'all like? I like it. Maybe I'll move. Let me see something. And then I'm tired of him laying on the couch too, so that's why we gotta go get another TV. I don't sleep with no TV, but he does. But yeah, I think what I'm gonna do is move that to the other side. But yeah, guys, I know y'all want to see what's behind me. Y'all want to see the new stand? Hold on one second. Show y'all the new mid-century modern console. Oh my god, y'all, he did that thing. He got it up in about, I'm gonna say it didn't take him very long. I'm gonna say maybe an hour. He did it really quick. It was not that bad. I did help him a little bit, like put the screws on the back of the board, but other than that, y'all ready to see? She's so pretty. All right, y'all, look at her. Oh my gosh, y'all, I love it. I absolutely love it. The whole idea was to put the movie theater system stuff and the surround sounds in here with the DVD player. Guys, it is gorgeous. I absolutely love it. Look how sleek, mid-century modern that it is. And remember I told y'all how it was going to be higher towards the TV where you can't really see the cord? I told y'all. Look at that. With the nice plant on the side. Beautiful. I'm thinking about putting another plant, maybe one of those when I get a pot on that side, but I'm not 100% sure because I kind of like it open and I like how it flows. So we did put the speakers on the floor back here. If you can see, there's a group of speakers here. So we might take those and put them inside the cabinet. And that way we'll have, if you can see, we'll be able to push this back more. So guys, this is very sleek, very much more roomy. And it just looks so beautiful in the room, in the space. So yeah, y'all let me know what y'all think. Let me know what y'all think. Now, he was talking about, I don't think it's gonna fit, and this and that, and this and that. I think it was, he didn't want to spend no more money, but you give me money to spend, so what do you think? But let me know in the comments, what do y'all think about the new cabinet? Oh my God, I love it. I love her. So the only thing I think I might do to this thing to tweak it, I'll show you guys. Like right here, these are chrome. So I think when I get some gold, I'm gonna spray paint these a really pretty gold, like this gold here. So yeah, guys, I will see you guys later. I don't know what today is going to entail, what we have going on today, but I will come back in another part of the video. All right, y'all. Hey guys, real quick, I had to come back to show you. Now, the reason why I put this lumbar pillow in this chair, and because see how it's low, and you can still see the decor of the chair. That was my whole thing behind putting this lumbar rectangle pillow in here. And then too, if you guys can see, it coordinates with the canvas. So look at that. Just wanted to show you guys. I'll show you guys close up how that looks and then how that coordinates. See that? Then you look down. Y'all get it. I'll see y'all. I'll see you guys.
Huh? None of the TV's gonna look like this. It's not gonna look like this? What do you mean?
See how clear it is?
Yeah.
Like how bright it is? It's not gonna look like that. Well, I might got like they got cords in the back to make the TV look like that. So
Okay, make it clear.
Yeah, it won't make it this clear though.
Oh, wow.
I mean, they all get it.
So is this a good buy? Is that one a good buy?
It's just the Walmart brand. They all the same thing. They all got
right.
right.
Okay.
It's just the Walmart brand. This
Okay.
is Walmart. Yeah, it's just Walmart. I mean, they all do the same thing. All sort of, I mean, same thing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Boy, you don't have it, boy. Go take care.
Time to decide which one. $218.
You want a 15 TC?
They said cash money.
Oh my God, you saying my into the thing? We didn't find no TV in here though, so we're gonna go to, I think BJ's, but then we're gonna go grab something to eat, huh?
Oh, it's so cash.
Expensive. Cheese.
Here y'all go.
What that is?
Business card.
What?
Business card.
Y'all, he is in here passing out business cards at Subway.
Finish. What you doing? That's right. What you think?
Oh my God.
If I spend money, I gotta make money.
What in the world is going on here?
Spend money, you ain't got no money. What's wrong
Oh
with it?
my God. That's crazy.
You gotta get that money. They gonna tell you too. You got to get that money. Hey, you listen.
Okay, I want all the vegetables, every last one of them. Yes.
Few celery.
And then oil.
Tomatoes. Cucumbers.
big old
What is
TV.
that, Orange Place?
He wanna go crazy about.
Ain't nobody going crazy about it, but if people, if you in a house and you buy a TV, you want a TV that's gonna satisfy you and who live in the house, not the people outside the house. You're not gonna put no big TV. You got a big TV in the living room. You got a nice little size 32, some 10-inch TV in the little sitting room. That's for those who come over and sit. That's all they need. This big 50-inch TV going in my bedroom where I can sit down, lay back, and relax. When I'm not working, off work, I can come home into my castle, to my home, to my place of peace, and be able to lay in my bed and watch a TV that's bigger than me.
Yeah, look at this TV.
So let her understand that. It's about us.
Y'all let me know in the comments, but
About us.
we had to come to BJ's to get the TV because Walmart didn't have anymore, or so they say, and they wasn't willing to give us a I don't know, what do you call that? When the store don't have one, they give you something to substitute it.
Discount.
A substitution or something like that. Where's the flower pot?
I don't look for flower pots. I don't know. You gotta ask somebody. I don't know about it.
Uh-oh. Alright, y'all, several hours later, we are back home. I don't know if I didn't get a chance to show y'all my sandwich. I ate half of it in the car. It was so good. And he killed his. But we just got veggie subs, so I saved half of mine for later, which I can't wait to devour this. So, depending on when I upload this video, I can finish it. So that's all that's what's on it. Veggies, 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 veggies. And he's back there working on that TV. So, yeah, guys, that's going to end it for today. Let me show you guys real quick what he's doing. Y'all, I'm loving it. Loving it. Working on that TV. Y'all, I'm so mad. I'm so upset. Because the plan was, it was supposed to go in the back room. How about that? I'll see you guys in another video. Bye. Remember, love yourself so you love others. So this world will be a much better place. Bye, y'all.